Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about one problem that I've got a couple of days ago. I installed EVNG on my server and I started use this, like for learning, especially for Palo Alto firewall. What was the problem? I couldn't use Wireshark to capture these packets inside EVNG. It should work, I know, but now it works, of course. But what was the problem? The problem was during installation EVNG virtual machine, I changed default password from EV to my own password. And this was the biggest problem. Why this was the biggest problem? Because when you download from this page your EVNG, it has default password, and you can also read this right here. For example, default root password is EV. Yes. And second, what you have to download if you install this and you wanna use this with all of this packet with Wireshark, you have to download this one, Windows Client Side 3.0. Click download executable file, install this, and then you will find these files inside this folder, this PC, local disk C, program files, EVNG, especially this one, the last one. When I click it, when I tried to start packet capture, every time I saw this pop-up window the same way, like this. Close this one. But what is inside? Let's look what is inside. Inside we have set username, root, set password, EV. This is the problem. If here, like not if, here is every time is EV default password, and in your EVNG, if you change this password, you have your own password. This is the problem. They can't communicate together because of password doesn't match. For me, like you can change this in two different ways. Here also, but from Notepad, you don't have like permission for this. I don't know, you can somehow figure out how to do this. I tried to change this one to my own password. It didn't work a couple of times. Then I decided just it's easier to change password with like in your VM. Here, just login with your password with root account here and simply type passwd, then retype EV, then type EV and retype EV, retype new password. Password updated successfully. You will find this one. And after this, you can check it. For example, click your node, capture, choose your interface. It's open Wireshark, and voila. Go, 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 go. Doesn't have any packets. Maybe doesn't have any packets. Let's open terminal. Let's ping our firewall. Firewall has default settings. It's not gonna reply you, and we don't have any packets. But here, for example, you can find this source, destination, source. This one, my router. This one is Palo Alto interface, ICMP. Requests, but no reply, no response. Like this, easy peasy. All right. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's pretty it, my friends. And if this video was helpful, like, if you have some questions, comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.